Let's do some speed test in this vehicle. Let's see the pickup of this scooty. Let us hear the exhaust note of this vehicle. So hey guys, what's up? How are you all? Hope everything is fine. So guys, welcome back to Buggy Vlogs. So guys, today we are going to do review of Suzuki Access 125cc. It's BS4 engine. Come guys, let's do this vlog.
Always do it on my own, so I gotta get through it. And the only thing I know is to love what I'm doing. Never give up, never slow, till I finally prove it. Never listen to the no's, I just wanna keep moving. Keep my head up when I act, head up, that's a fact. Never looking back, I'ma keep myself on track. Keep my head up, staying strong, always moving on. Feel I don't belong, tell my thoughts to move along. Push myself to be the best, die with no regrets. Live with every breath, see my message start to spread. And I had so many dreams, then you hit your teens. Life ain't really what it seems, try to find out what it means. Always do it on.
So guys, let us look at the overall design of this vehicle. And here is the finishing of Suzuki logo, which comes with chrome finishing. And these headlights comes with bulb. And the frame has chrome finishing, which looks more glossy. And the side mirror also comes with chrome finishing. The quality is also good. And this protective guard comes with chrome finishing, which helps. This is an extra accessory for this vehicle. It helps in protecting the indicator lamps. And this is the indicator lamp. And there is another light here. And this vehicle has got combined braking system. And the tire size comes with 12 inches tire. And it has disc brakes. And this tire comes with alloy wheels. And the overall look of this vehicle is classy. Let us look at the instrumental cluster of this vehicle. The economy fuel of this vehicle comes with 30 to 50. And the headlamp induction is here. And the indicator induction is here. And there is small digital odometer. It shows the fuel capacity and the kilometer, how much it has ran, etc, etc. The self start button is placed over here. And here is the horn button. This is for the indicators, left, right. And this is for the headlamps, high beam, low beam. There is one hook over here. And this is a 12 volt charging port. And there is some space here. And there is another hook here. So you can keep something, like hang some things. And this mat is also an extra accessory which we get from showroom. And here is the footrest. Here Access badging overall here, Access 125. And this is the special edition vehicle. And SEP, Suzuki Eco Performance Vehicle. And here is the guard for this vehicle. Here is the Suzuki Access 125 badging, another one here. And Suzuki name here. And this is the brake lights, which comes with bulb. And there is indicator bulbs. And this is the grab rail. And Suzuki Access 125 badging overall here. And special edition vehicle. There is another footrest over here. This footrest is for ladies who sit by one side. And guys, let's see the storage space of this vehicle. And the storage space should be accessed by here. And guys, this is the storage space of this vehicle. You can keep full size helmet in this and little more stuffs. And this is the fuel tank. This fuel tank capacity is 5 liters. And the mileage of this vehicle gives you still 56 kilometers. This vehicle is 125cc and the engine comes with 124cc, and this is the air-cooled vehicle, and the max power of this vehicle is 8.7 PS at 6750 rpm, and the max torque of this vehicle is 10 Nm at 5500 rpm. Seat height of this vehicle comes with 773 millimeters, which is comfortable for my height people. Let us hear the exhaust note of this vehicle. In this vehicle, it sounds like Aprilia. Let's see the pickup of this scooty. Wow, the pickup is so good. And the braking is also too good. Braking is so good in this vehicle. The pinion behind, the scooty performance is so good. The braking is also amazing. Thank you. Let's do some speed test in this vehicle. So guys, that's it for today. I think I have reviewed everything in this vehicle. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe. You can also follow us on Instagram. The link is given in description. Love you all. Bye bye. Let's meet in another vlog. Hi, so kissing me.